And the TikTokers no abafaya back at Sam George, our information and communication minister. I found someone. Sam George abekatcha TikTokers no concerning the arrest of Abu Trica. Be man chirimu no achire wadwen amame. E wo comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was say need demo. Obe like his video na that one. Put subscribe button, number click notification icon for latest updates. Number chire wadwen de amame. E wo comment section. Mess obaswa. No share for onya bia hwe. You know, it was last week Thursday. Anybody needs to say Abu Trica ya betche no. Eya Agnes Wedru Elon Musk ya betche no edene kwa say FBI for the free United States of America eba Ghana hanomo ebeche no ema ade che on the 12th December no Iyoko make publication on which it is being confirmed as ya che Abu Trica I say Iyoko together with CID NACOC Cyber Security Authority for omo I say ekoche Abu Trica edene koye now you know ade che ye no ana Sam George our information minister make post bi ana o kire mu say nani age ese NACOC CID any before etimi akwachi Abu Trica na se bia Ghana no ye ne ama for front one yonko fa ne be hyemu kana no o ma kwai e ma cyber crime enkoso e no sade word of caution e ba say mo amoda so game ni mu no enipa 3 bi on mo a enche almost no omu etu ebetwi some can say we na media na so we TikTokers na ne clash ye e na so ama anya Sam George e the enti enra no ono so ebetu mu chance oba be reply TikTokers no there was a nano pay no TikTokers no abe reply Sam George na we e boot for boot omo catch the minister for information say onye smart at all.
Hey, Sam George, see, if we dey talk, then go talk say we dey talk too much. See, the Abu Trica way you niggas arrest me, you no concern me. All the fraud boys you go fit arrest them, me, you no concern me. You dey understand? You know they concern me. It be you people them my business. You know they concern me. But the education issue where you go talk about. Me, if nothing they concern me. I mean, I know go put camera for my face can give my opinion. If nothing, that way they talk about the musicians, people they figure say just they talk. Hey, I fucking they rap. Hey, make up come back to the Sam George issue. Sam George, only you go school. I want to ask you, only you go school. You say you be living proof. Only you go school. You know niggas where them go school where, you know, source give them. So if it's source give you, then your family, shut the fuck up and enjoy. Enjoy. Then do your job. You don't understand? The niggas where they come social media, they talk about, say, somebody can't steal the white people can't steal one money, they can't steal one minerals. So all those things, it be senseless talk. It be senseless talk. Sense self no day inside. It be very, very, very foolish talk. I don't understand. Two wrongs even don't make it right. If they can't steal you, there are other ways. There are other ways. Sam George, if you make this country a better place for us to live, see, you give us jobs, you give us well-paid salaries. Trust me, they can't still wanna go. We get plenty gold. People still they mine gold since. We they mine gold since. Here be fucking Gold Coast. The gold you never go finish for this country side. So make you niggas know they talk about gold where people can't take for here. They are canon. They're not more there here. You niggas. You these politicians, you now you Sam George and Kasa, you be influencer or you be minister. You they like camera too much. This thing where you can't talk about, if you people them a fucking trauma. You know how expensive education be for this country. Somebody go school and pass through all these things. They will count their house. They send application, you know they get job. You get job, so they go tell you say they need 5 years experience. You don't get connection now. You don't go figure job. Somebody they go set job for military inside. You go lose in life. Then you can't talk say education. It pays you living proof. As if say only you go school. That thing you can't talk. You know think about them. You they can't do damage control to her. You can't talk say the same people are asking that you money you will help like you make them monetize our social media platforms for us. So that be the job where you want to do. You think say it be we when I will say we go come put camera for on our face for TikTok here. The youth where they join the reason why more youth are on TikTok be say they no get job. Like some people graduates, come do them a face Jimmy for this laptop. So say they will get numbers then. They go get some influence, some how do you call them? Some deals, some endorsement deals be. It is if people get job and you go see so many Ghanaians on TikTok. People say no, they like TikTok. But how they go do one? Their job, like I know they even if they say the salary no good, so you know go do one. Kadiobe didn't quite come back to TikTok. And I give himself 2 years, I go get numbers, go get endorsement deals, the way you go do. Common DSTV self, make them cut them prices down. Say it take you how many months where they can make TikTok do what? Can monetize and where your country Ghana, you better pass the other African countries. You better pass the other African countries. If the monetization come Africa, you go reach every country for Africa. What did they talk? You did people they saw you also. Sam George. Street ways we wanna thinking be different. That thing you go talk and you go feel cost your election unless you do proper damage control. I tell you niggas gossip, bro. Nanado go feel come mess up this country, but one thing where you go talk, you go feel mess you up, car. So if I come again. What be that?
Honorable Sam George, please, the last time I checked, when we asked you to fix our data prices, but Ekamia, you say you want to take Raymond Archer's job from him. You want to do more than Raymond Archer by saying that you have 3 more people to pick up in addition to Abu Trica. And then, Honorable, you went further to say that education pays. Please, in what country? Because if it is in Ghana, Honorable, I can boldly tell you that education does not pay in Ghana. Education only pays when you have connections, when you know people. I am a living testimony. My brother, Mechiri Mamienu, Enya National Service, was posted at Gapoa, Ghana Port and Temahono. They sent him a message that you know the course I did at Legon. Economics and statistics. I showed it to someone and the person said combination only for Gapoa to send him message that and then someone also told me that protocol. That day my mother wept. Unni come for can cry unko baby because our parents did not get anywhere. Our parents did not get any position. We are fighting for ourselves. Nyankopon so adom ye bema niti ye kakra wenya Gapoa for sending a message say because omo in space amobi onu no nya ye no. This is the same cry ye womo people stood up ahumachi for jobs ewak and then due to stampede nkofo lost their lives. Honorable, today you are saying in front of the masses that education pays when you know people. Honorable, wait, you should be fixing this one. And nkofo train now bet you can one ma brofo no. Eya na ye me ja sem penyin for before we've gained independence. Now so many workers say we've not gained independence in the Kwame Nkrumah Jimaye for I think say for fun 6th March 1957 no. Because they are gaining independence bro need to me sunny free ni chrome. Ebe hwehwe Ghana for ha say omu ye scam omu ye win. This is the country we are in. Education tia na kankofo nko wo ewak ubechichi nkofo akwa abrofo close na so to me sane ho. Can you go there for somebody? Can you go there for a white man? Say honorable unja you
Kurono said ya no wo yakwala wontumi nya seska no ese obeye obi ti se sisiri adapa na seska ni bietumi egu wo mpase na ye reality ese otumi beye obi ti se obi sa o politician na obokro no na owie sika kogu ho no mo fise kuro ni yan hyehyɛ sɛ nipa da sani na wo mu no fise yɛse akwala wo bongwa wo ba kyekyedeɛ nti akwala no wo youth wa sɔre wo kuro no mu no adwuma ɛsɛ otumi ya ne sɛ ɔyɛ baade adwuma wasea enwu sika na sefata wo baade youth ɛsɛ wo nante o wo hyehyale wo tene mu tu
Sana Ghana penny for you see who every youth in Ghana say that's life for person living no. Akwala ubongwa sasa oba chichedie. Into youth ne say here. Youth esa woda bontene because on you kroni say esa osori nye sika o. Into wa upeni ni say wunyi na wabenya into say wo youth na wunyi na wo ka wa for kwansi bone na wanya say sika no because basi say da pa betumi ya betumi hu adwuma oye but ending of the year yenim ending of the year sika e wo so nya but obetumi nya sika e boro say egu nim paase kwasia yembisa ne say adenti no nko wo $1 billion eda nem paase but Ghana youth no betumi akonya $1 million egu no paase e beka senti no eye kwan bone kwasia wo bank papa nka ono no nka de sika ne gu na account mu yenti wana Jagraja ko yiska free ne demu begu ho no mo kwasia Jagraja won ko yiska free ne demu enfree de dem am begu ho no mo because ana ya nwini kuro no kwasia obi betumi atena America na wakase wayi more than me fan say tete kwasia be kire kwan ofa so nya sika no ba kuro no se na masi fa nwene no akwala sori a adwuma be na okwa ye obetumi akase ending of the year no me wealthy say kwasia makwala bi ansori obi owetu kwan bi anka nchiro obesori obeka chiro say ending of the year no ne wealth ye say adwuma bi oye bi an ending of the year no ne wealth ye say kuro man enim kuro no enim na Ghana no unim agese ye be hu obi o wetumi live such life na agese ye sisiri adapa kwasia mo se Ghana nkwala na de omumba achichide oze mbabunu no omugba achichide man fancy she pambe gukronum na mbabunu ansori anka so mo kwa adwuma na mbabunu embo mo homode na mo nsori mbeta atom kwasia mo nim se akwala se so ye adwuma banse so onye sika sei ana mo nhihye kuro man kwala bi ansori ndidi so live route ni so ankosi ta mo bewu no na mo jan kuro ni se akwala bi ansori mbo ne bra na akwala bi ansori mbo ne bra na onye ni sika mo san akobisa no man kwamini kuro na man mbabunu na nsori anka se ade achinye nie ye sori kwa adwuma na mbabunu no mfa kwan bi so nyo mo sika na mo mbabi so mo question bi eniama bi ye de betoto amamo no eni ye nyina ba be politics na ye wie sika no kwase nye sika na moto wono na mo wia ai emfa o se adan adwuma ben no ye kwase ya adwuma ben ya hyehye okuro no mu a onkonko ye youth na onkonko ton ababa wa no ho ofe no ne ye se ontombo fruit kwase ya ababa wa kama ni hu sisi ni hu su no tombo fruit ade yesika wom body yesika wom man mini kuro na man babunu na nsori ankasa ye sori ye kwani kwasia scan ye de koto plane no abre betumi de bi adwuma no
She Ghana for for especially politicians on menka sem in gem. Ohun sa Abu Trica ne dada Joe Musa scam issue na asori na obi aka ho asem no. Politicians, you have no moral right to talk about it. Muni right bia samu kasa asem ni bi. Muni ndi entia. Mo Abu Trica mo no mo ye bear times 10 times 100. Ye pese ye chichen kofo okrom anke wo sa mo na ye chiche mo kwabena edu bu ahen munyina na mo gift your worry mo yente ho hye yo your friend say buffer stock CEO Wahabo say Waliwo say hwan no yente ho hye we no hear anything kenoforata munyina almighty kenoforata munyina nam ho na kenoforata nko asika wedi Ghana sika wedi yo Ghana sika wedi kenoforata nko Ghana sika wedi embro de ho Abu Trica de ye kabombe 500 times kra ensu kenoforata sika wedi intimo politicians na mo anapo we mapotena na TV stations ni radio stations na mo discuss Abu Trica cyber crime ni Abu Trica mo ne dada jo mu issue no munyai ma ya youth na ya yentwambo mo ya yempesa ade no aye ya youth no munyai ma yenka mo de obi abeka mo politicians ma mo nka bi mo na mo wana ya mamboy for chen mo ebram tibia mo de on my way akotum ene de mo ye on my way eya mo fe necessity is the mother of invention. Edwuma ben na mo bi okrom ha. Edwuma Eduma ben na mo bia okromu amoma ko tena TV so kasa no. And last week was saying and 3 days was 4 days. And unemployed nurses was there graduate nurses for be unemployed. Omo ko tena TV 3 no musu. Say yen post you omo be 5 years was saying. And 1 week in po. Na no muti TV susu. Na ube no saying. Say mun kase yen ko school na ya ko school ewie no. Ah yen ye adwuma nya no. Die na mo pese nipa ne ye. Onko wiade na yen kye no. Na yen mru no wu. Ana onye den. Onko botu oyoba onko botu tu. Ana onye den. You know what the youth are going through? Do you even know the psychological trauma and in the mental issues and what the youth ni fem no? Into the baby ada ni junkies, baby ada ni hookups, baby ada ni sani amano. You people politicians, munyaika mamun kebi, mo obi abeka mamun kebi. Make you people not talk. Make you people not talk at all. Jamudi on my way fem. Hey, celebrate ni bre. Chale munyai. Me see some Abu Trica mu Penyah kotina kenu foreta. Any buffer stock CEO no, former CEO said no, buffer stock former CEO no. Oh no. Na Maslock mami krana former Maslock Penyah mami bia ye say court no cry pronounce say yemfa no kotum na wakota US no. Motumi akọ extradite no said na bagana. Motumi akọ na bagana. You people fit do that thing. Mote honom. You people know the fee bring kenu foreta safe. Abu Trica mo na mo so amoko. Na me enye sa me fo omo so no fraud boys no munti ha Jimmy na wo mo ho no munye ska na mo kwatena tena pubs akese na mo to nsan ne boy again na mo ye your friends say mo to ska wo pubs na adade no munya Jimmy no na mo diska ni twa go social media ne sai social media na mo twa ska na mo ye say no nyina ye Jimmy munhwe nyansa munya sa ade na mo ye no na public validation for people to know that you are rich no it's not going to do anything to you ubetime nyu sika na wo te baby cool life na wudi na wo ye de obeye only the few people around you will know that you are rich and it's okay, it's enough. Munyai na mo se mo ya smart na mutumi de giabro funi sika dia munya smart na mu say there are countries with no extradition laws. Munya fast mo jiji sika ni bia muntu nkwatena ho na mo nchele na munyai na Ghana ha na mutena ha ni je wa ha mudi ani je na wo Ghana chi na ya bechichim saa mudi ani je ne emma na atwo ne ade na wo Ghana ha na ya bechichim egum saa na Ghana ha no politicians no omo so a udi boni a omesa mo machew politicians no mo mwaye. Do you know what the youth are going through? Charlie, if Obia Beka Sasem Webia, politicians, I repeat it, you don't have any moral right to talk about this issue. More Bia and continent TV, so any radio soon can once and hey, more politicians. And no, said the mission news, a northern region will be in Colada from and Musia. Now, schools, classrooms, Sukana Musi and school, and Okano Munsi schools in ye. Charlie, politicians, Munya, and Poe Mama Kumaba, make people stop, Mamon can once and fraud boys, Monsieur Nyansa, Munyeskana, Mamma from the two social media, Monsieur Nyansa, and Kofu, Cromo, Muska, and Ukrano, Oman shut out and I will turn picture crown and Bufu, and Peso Biabusu Wuska, Monsieur Nyansa, the Jimmy Dos, I bet Chemos, I bet Chemo. Politicians or what born minor bro, no was half for whom you can was I bet you into Monsieur Nyansa, Marty.
La familia with Jimmy. Me say Abu Trica de eh? Moko soroba from Kra Mubejano. Moko soro. Any betting be ebe shasa asiasa kura na Abu Trica Mubejano. Because they got on your boni biao. Oh, dear Yami. Eh, to say everyone. Be on social media, no so our Kadi Wumbiano is supporting Abu Trica. Abu Trica, yes, Abu Trica 2 coin that. Or spend this money in our Ghana. I am Ghana for Musika. But he's spending the money in Ghana. Kwasiakas now to and Ghana for no digum. Unim ni padodo Abu Trica show mo swedro. Unim ni padodo Abu Trica show mo swedro. Omo mu hwia Ghana sika de kosi sidan e wo Dubai, e wo Qatar, e wo Bahrain, e wo USA, e wo UK, e tofie talkers wo UK. Omo de Ghana sika kotonyo ma wo ho no kra no. Omo de so te Ghana ha. Na obi onu gibroni sika. E de ba Ghana, e be invest wo Ghana ma manfo nya adwuma ye. Abu Trica nim ka sa wato amanfo twi. Na mo motu wo se ma cha Abu Trica. Be sinamu nja no. Se mo nja na ade afo adurofo. Afo mo ho ade so mo be ye no. Se mo nja Abu Trica mo hu bi wo app no so. Because the more you have time. Nipa na wie university, one year SS, 1 year training college na one year adwuma nya na. O nim de woni tinu no de tifie no. Kwase an kofa ko twetro, ana kofa ko yibini. Mama na adwuma nya no, on wa pa adwuma ma na ho no. Onu de so ombo Ghana kro no, onye Ghana hwe. But onya bibi o de be pa ni man mu, ama ne man mu fo anya bie di no. Mo ache no. Me say mo kwa soro ba fam kwa mbeja Abu Trica. What the hell, man?
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!